What's up, everyone? This is a 2015 Chevrolet Sonic LT hatchback, and you might be trying to find the fuel pump control module. I'm going to show you where it is. It's a little bit difficult to find and a little bit of a pain to get to. So that module is going to be behind this panel. Show you how to get to it. First thing you want to do is clear out your hatchback, empty it out. So you have some room here to work with. It's not that easy. There's going to be some fasteners, some push-in fasteners here, a couple down here, and you have to get those all out. To get those fasteners out, and you might have to buy new ones. So once you've done that, this thing needs to come out like will pop out like this. Doesn't come out that easy, but I already got it out. So, and then you'll be able to maneuver this one, but first you have to remove this bolt, this little thing, and there's also a screw in here. Okay, so this one's 10 millimeter. That comes out, no problem. I'm gonna take this little airbag thing off. I got this little pick that'll do it. You might be able to use a screwdriver. Use something to pry that thing out. See a screw in there. Just a Phillips head. So you unscrew this right here. There it is. And I'll show you next. Now, you don't have to rip this whole panel out. They'll pop out of here. So all you got to do here is pull this back, and you can get to the fuel pump control module right there and do your work on it. You don't have to take this whole thing off. You can if you want to, but right here is just enough to pull back, work on it. That way it'll pop back in, and you can do your work on it. There's this little red tab right there. That tab gets pushed up. This is typical of a lot of parts on these vehicles. The ABS system, the ECU plugs, they all kind of work similar. What you do is take that red tab and push it up like that, and then you're going to squeeze into this guy here, and this guy comes up just like that, just like so, and then the whole thing unplugs. There's a little bolt right here, 10 millimeter deep socket. Remove this bolt. Just another one way back in there. I got a loose. Yeah, I can just twist that one that I just showed you. It's coming. There it is. So there's these two. Exact same. That comes right out, 2 bolts. That's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought I'd have to remove this big bolt here. You don't have to remove that one. It's just bracket. Just take the whole bracket off, and you have part numbers and everything. So my thought is to go to the junkyard and see if I can find one with the same part number. Just gonna take some pictures of this, and that way get one cheap, plug it in, and see if it fixes the issue without spending a bunch of money. Oh, HHR. This is a Prism. This is a Chevy Cavalier. It's a 2015 Chevy Cruze. You can see this is it, but this is the wrong part number. 208-67260. There's one with the freaking trunk is closed. Coming from the back here. Okay. Well, I found the right part, but the trunk is locked. The trunk is locked. The keys in the ignition? No. Oh no, you gotta be joking with me. This thing This thing's gonna be a huge pain in the ass. I don't think I can film it, but I'm gonna go for it. Oh man, I was laying in there, almost got stuck in there. Look at that. Got it out. Okay. Beautiful. Let's compare. Okay. Got the tab up. Push here. This goes over. 2348851. Golden. Okay, this is the old one here with the bracket on it. This is the one I just picked up from the junkyard. Same exact part number. So let's go see what happens. I really don't know. Let's see if this thing starts up.